Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by opening the app or browser now. If you use the YouTube app, make sure it's updated so the Add to Home option appears. Once done, open the app to the main screen and pause. If you prefer a browser shortcut, open Chrome or Safari and navigate to YouTube. Then tap the menu to reveal the Add to Home action. Make sure you're on the exact page you want on your home screen before proceeding. Now create the shortcut or pin the app. In Chrome, tap the three dots, choose Add to Home Screen, then edit the name and tap Add. The browser will place an icon. On iPhone with Safari, use Share, then Add to Home Screen. The icon appears on your home layout. If you prefer the app, long press the YouTube icon in the app drawer and drag it to your home, or choose Pin from the context menu. This step saves time every day. Finish by testing the icon you added. Tap it to confirm it launches YouTube or the exact URL you saved. If nothing happens, restart your phone and check the app or browser's permissions. Sometimes shortcuts need home screen access. If the icon vanished, clear browser cache or reinstall the app and repeat the add step. One quick troubleshooting tip. If the shortcut opens the wrong page, delete it and recreate it from the correct
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.